Hello, this is an update video as it relates to operating Apple TV. We're down to two remotes. Having three remotes was confusing for some people, so we're just going to be using two remotes. The Sony remote, which is for the Sony TV, you're going to use the power button, the green one, to turn it on. Then from here, you're going to continue using the input button to navigate between the inputs. Fios TV, which is for the regular TV. If you keep pressing, you'll go to Apple TV, and that's where you want to go if you want to use Apple TV. Once you are on Apple TV, just wait a little bit, and then the Apple TV screen will come up, and then from here you can just use the up and down buttons to navigate the Apple TV menu. You'll see we have over 200 movies. You can go down to the genres and find action, adventure, comedy, drama, etc. So they're all there for your viewing enjoyment. And then once you are done with Apple TV, you can continue using the input button to again go to the various inputs, going up and down again to different movie channels, and then continue using the input button to go to Fios TV if you want to go back to the regular TV as well. And to turn it off, power button again, and you're done.